Hello student, in previous lecture we are discussing on SOP and one example we are solving. Now in this lecture we are discussing the example on POS. See now, in a POS these are the one example of POS. So product indicated by the Greek pi symbol and uppercase is capital M indicate max term. So pi into M indicates product of max term. In the SOP form what you are written? Sigma and small m. In POS what you write? Pi and capital M. Okay, so how we can represent again one of the example F A B C D pi M 2 6 8 9 6 like this one, and this we can represent into POS form by writing the capital M. Their suffix is same number like this one. So the number indicate K cell, K map cell address location for the max term in the location zeros. See now, these are the one example where A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar, this total terms into another term. That's why it's called as product of sum. Product of sum, POS. Third, fourth, 5, 6, 7. Like these are the 7 terms are existing. Okay. So see how we can plot into the K map now. This example again 2, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14. Okay, these are the one example. Again the same logic A, B, C, D. Similarly previous 0, 1, 2, 3 what we write, same cell value we are written. Then 2, 6, 8, 9. 2, 6, 8, 9. This 2, 6, 8, 9. 10, 11, 14. 10, 11 and 14. What you can, if it is a POS, what you can mark? Zeros. Remainings are 1. Now important is what again? We can make the groups of zeros, not a groups of 1. In SOP we can make a groups of ones. Here we can make a groups of zeros. So all zeros, this all zeros like this one. So this one group is will form this all 0, this 4 and this one. So again the same logic 0 0, this will be vary, so cancel. Again here this one is vary, that's why means once in here all CD will be cancelled, but remaining is what? 1 0. 1 0 means what? A B bar. A B bar. But in POS what you can call as A bar reverse and plus sign we can indicate. Here is instead of 1, here is 1 means what? A bar plus B. Okay, in SOP again I repeat here, our students are making the mistake. In SOP if it is SOP then what you write? A into B bar. A into B bar. But in POS we can make complement and operation we can replace with the OR operation. Okay, so that's why we can mark here A bar plus B. Here another group, all are cancelled. Now remaining is what? 1 0. So 1 0 means again C bar plus D. C bar plus D. So A bar plus B into C bar plus D. Okay, so after simplification of K map only 2 terms. Okay, so our aim is what? These are the total function is given. Okay, and by using, suppose we are applying the algebraic methods and so all, it will be reduced up to the only 2 terms like this one. So in the K map it is simplified. That expression, that respective function will be reduced as within very less time. It is a simplified way. Okay, so and POS form we can mark as a zeros and we can form the groups of zeros. Okay, so these are the main highlighting point. Understood? Thank you.